we are going to discuss Vedic Chack System. This is very important and it will help you in addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, HCF, LCM, whatever you do. This will again going to help you to check the answer. That answer is correct or not. Okay. So generally, if suppose that you are doing the addition, I'm telling you here. Suppose we did this two-digit multiplication, 24 into 26, and you got the answer 624. And you told me the answer is 624. And suddenly I told you no, this is the wrong answer. Then what is the choice you have? You have to perform the same operation again, right? You will going to multiply this multiplication again, like 24 into 26. Yes or no? Similarly, if there is a addition, suppose there is a addition, and you did the wrong addition. Now look at this. When we are discussing about the rule of divisibility, what we are discussing at that time? We are discussing about the rule of divisibility with 2, rule of divisibility with 3, rule of divisibility with 4, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here, can you tell me what is the rule of 3?
You have to add all the digits in the number.
No. So if I'm going to ask you, tell me this number is divisible by 3 or not. What you are going to do?
5 plus 9, 5, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 is divisible by 3.
देखो पूरे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में आप अगर किसी से पूछोगे तो यही वो करेंगे कि उसको बोला गया है 12, सबको ऐड करो, 2 को 3 से, 3 को 4 से, 4 को 3 से, and after adding all these numbers you will get
12.
Now look at this. If this 12 is divisible by 3, then whole number is also divisible by 3. That is the rule of divisibility of 3.
Yes.
Now I am doing it something different because I know the fundamental of addition. What is the fundamental of addition? If one number that is divisible by 3 and the second number which I am adding that is also divisible by 3, it means the addition is also divisible by 3. Yes or no? In this case, we know 3 is the multiple of 3. 3 is the multiple of 3, so we don't have to add this. Simply cancel it out. Now, whatever the number is remaining, just add only that number. So in that way, you make a number very small. Okay, and your addition will become a fast. In this way, you make a addition very fast. Okay, now look at this. I'm going to validate my point with one more addition. So after adding this value, you will get 6, and 6 is divisible by 3. So whole number is also divisible by 3. Now look at the next example. The number is 7, 4, 2, 5, 9, 6, 3. Now if I'm going to ask you if this number is divisible by 3 or not, तो करना तो बहुत आसान है. Everybody will going to start adding all these numbers. लेकिन मैंने देखो कितना बड़ा नंबर दिया है, इसको आप ऐड करोगे ना तो आपको 50-60 नंबर आ जाएंगे एडिशन के बाद. ठीक है, तो हमें करना क्या है, सिंपल हम इसे एलिमिनेट कर देना. उन सारे नंबर्स को जो मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 है उसको मैं ऐड ही नहीं करूंगा ताकि हमारा एडिशन फास्ट हो जाए. इसको कैंसिल कर दिया. मैंने इतना ही नहीं किया, मैंने 7 और 2 को भी कैंसिल कर दिया क्योंकि एडिशन ऑफ 7 and 2 इज व्हाट 9. तो दिस इज आल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 3. नाउ 4 प्लस 5, तो मुझे कुछ ऐड ही नहीं करना पड़ा, मुझे आया 0, और 0 तो किसी भी नंबर से डिविजिबल है. इट मींस व्हाट, दिस नंबर इज आल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 3. इसके थ्रू आपको कभी कोई नंबर ऐड ही नहीं करना पड़ेगा. अब आपका एक क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि सर वी आर स्टडिंग अबाउट द डिजिटल रूट्स एंड वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग द डिवीजन divisibility. Why? The reason is we are just changing the words and we are doing the same thing in the digital roots as well. Let's start with the digital roots. So what is the digit sum? So digit sum is when you are having a number like 35 and you are going to add 3 plus 5, the same number, and you will get 8. This is called as digit sum. So if I'm going to ask you what is the digit sum of 142, can you tell me what is the digit sum of 142?
7.
7. 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is. Similarly, what is the digit sum of 687? 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. So because this is a 2-digit number, so now you have to add all these numbers again. 2 plus 1, that is 3. So digit sum will always in a single digit. Okay. So whenever you got the 2-digit number, what you have to do? You will have to eliminate add that number. Okay. So that is the only difference. Now I told you about one more thing. When we are finding the digit sum of numbers, and in that time, if we find the multiple of 9 or 9, okay, so you can eliminate all those numbers while you are finding the digit sum. So I'm going to explain it to you again. Like you are eliminating when you are, I gave you the number like this, And I told you when the addition of two numbers or that number is multiple of 3, don't add it when you are checking the divisibility with 3. So you are going to eliminate this one. 8 plus 4, that is also going to eliminate. So 7 is the number which is not divisible by 3.
Four भी क्या
It means the
आशिक
whole.
को
So in that way, this number is also not divisible by 3. Okay.
एक
Like we eliminating the number multiple of 3, similarly in the digit sum, we are going to eliminate the number which is the multiple of 9. So in this number, you can see that 94993. There is a one number, two number, or three number. All these numbers are multiple of 9. So we are going to eliminate this. So what is the remaining number? 4 and 3. So what is the digit sum of this number? Whole number? 10. If you say no, sir, I wanted to add all this value, and then we will going to see what is going to happen. So let's do it. 9 3 is 27, and plus 4 31. 31 plus 3.
or 34.
And now add this two digits, because I told you if you get the answer in two digits, just add it. Now 3 plus 4, 7.
7.
You got the same number here and here in both way, right or not?
Yes, sir.
Look at this number 54963. 54967. Again, what is the multiple of 9? This is 6 plus 3. This is 5 plus 4. This. What is the remaining number? 7. What is the distal roots? 7.
7.
Get it? Because whatever the number which is multiple of 9, we are going to eliminate it, because it will give us the value very easily. Where it comes the 9 point circle. Now I'm going to use the digit sum in the addition to check the answer of any addition, that it is correct or not. Okay. So first we have to find the digit sum of every number. So you can find it very easily. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, this is the number 21 plus 14. So 21 plus 14 is what? Somebody told me that 35 is the answer. But I wanted to check that answer is correct or not. For that, I don't want to do the addition. I'm going to use the Vedic Chack System. So how we can use this Vedic Chack System? Add these two numbers, 2 plus 1
3.
and 1 plus 4.
5.
5. So we are doing addition here, right? Here we are doing the addition. So similarly, we are going to do addition of this number as well. What is 5 plus 3?
8.
8, right? Or you can write down. So this is the addition of distal root. 5 plus 3, 8. Now, what we have to do is, we have to add this number as well. This is the answer, right? 3, 5. Now add this number, 5 plus 3.
8.
Both numbers are equal.
Yes.
Yes or no? It means this answer is correct. It means this answer is correct. Yes or no? Get it? Now look at the next example. Number is 2635 and somebody get the answer 61. I have to check this number is correct or not. So simply add 6 plus 1, you will get 7 is the root. So now add 2 plus 6, that is 8. 5 plus 3, that is 8. And 8 plus 8, 16. And 16 is two digit number. So just add it. 1 plus 6, that is 7, right? Not 8, that is 7. So this is 7 and this is also 7. So both are equal. It means what? The number is correct.
Correct.
Now look at this. 21 multiply with 14. Okay. 21 will going to multiply with 14. What is the answer of 21 into multiply with 14? 294. This is the number, 294. But somehow, as a teacher, we have to check that 21 into 14 is 294. That is correct or not. So how we are going to check it? This is multiplication. Look, earlier we are doing addition. Now we are doing multiplication. So be careful. Here you will find the difference. So our answer is 294. First add this value. You can eliminate 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. So we have to get the answer 6 using the digit sum. So add this number 2 plus 1.
3.
4 plus 1.
5.
5. Now difference is what? When you are doing a multiplication, you are going to do multiplication. Earlier we have addition, so we are doing addition. So now what we are going to do? 3 5 jar
15.
15 is there, and add this number because this is two digit numbers. We are going to add 1 5 6. So this is also 6 and this is also 6. Get it? So
Yes.
both value are 6. It means what? This answer is
Correct.
so. This is about distal roots. This is also going to end with. This is also going to work for square, and how it is useful. Just look at this. All perfect square is always end with 145690. How? Tell me the square of 1,
1.
square of 2,
4.
square of 3,
9.
square of 4,
16.
square of 5,
25.
6,
36.
7,
49.
8,
64.
and 9.
81.
Now, ये all those numbers जो है ना, जितने भी नंबर हैं, आप इस पे गौर करो तो कौन से नंबर आपको मिसिंग दिख रहे हैं? Which number is missing in this all number? because apart from that you are not going to find any value at the unit place, because all these 9 number is only will be there on the unit place all the time. The remaining number is 0 square, that is equal to 0. So this is the only number you will going to get, right? अगर मान लो 42 भी लिखते हैं तो यूनिट प्लेस पे तो 2 ही है ना, तो अगर 2 का स्क्वायर इंड हो रहा है 4 से, तो 42 का स्क्वायर भी किससे इंड होगा? 4 से इंड होगा, क्योंकि फर्स्ट वाला तो 2 ही है, तो 2 की तरह ही काम करेगा. अगर कोई बहुत बड़ा वैल्यू है, सपोज द नंबर इज 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so this is end with what? This will going to start with 7 square. So 7 square is ending with 9. So obviously whatever the number will be the last digit we are very much clear that number will be 9. Yes or no? So in that way you will find that there is a 2 number which is not here. That is 2, that is 3, that is 7, that is 8. Can you find it? देखो 1 to 9 में आपको ये वैल्यू कहीं आ रहा है? 1 is there, 1 is there, 4 is there, but 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, and now again 9 is there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So always 2, 3, 7, 8 will be missing in the square. So sometimes you will going to find 4, 8, 3, 2. You can proudly say that this is not the perfect square. What does it mean by perfect square? It means if you are going to find the square root of this number, you will get the integer like this. Okay. So in this case, you are pretty much sure that you will get the number which is in decimal. Okay. So just keep in mind all these things. You can see that this number is ending with 9. Yes. What is the possibility of ending with 9?
None. Oh, sorry.
There is a ending with 9. What is it?
3 square.
7. 7 square is 9 and 3 square is 9. So there is only 2 possibility that unit place may be 9 and unit place may be 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
So there is only 2 possibility that one number may be 7 or that number may be 9. So now I'm going to use the digit sum here. Number is end with 9. So digit sum is what? Eliminate this 9. 5 eliminate, 4 eliminate. So number is, so digit sum is 3. So therefore 453 is not the perfect square, because we have already have a rule here. All perfect square is end with 1 4 5 6 9 or 0. अगर वो perfect square है तो 2 3 7 और 8 को छोड़ के ही कोई यूनिट प्लेस पे आएगा. एंड डिजिट सम्स आर ऑलवेज 1 4 7 और 9 ही होगा. क्या होगा डिजिट सम?
1 4 7 and 9.
यहाँ पे डिजिट सम क्या आया था?
3.
So this is not a perfect square. Simple. Get it? So if somebody is asking you this is the perfect square or not, simply find the digit sum of this value and get it. Is this number 1479? If yes, then you can say that what is the next unit place value? Unit place value is 9. That is not in between the 2 3 7 8. So yes, we can say that this is the perfect square. Okay. Now let's talk about this question. Does this number is also a perfect square? 5776. Can you tell me?
It ends with 6, but we don't have any. We have 6 square, and then digit sum is 7.
Digit sum is 7. It means what?
It is a perfect square. It may be a perfect square.
Yes, again, may be a perfect square. Why? I'm going to show you one more thing here. When the rule is satisfying, I'm not sure that that is always a perfect, right? I told you already. क्योंकि यहाँ पे फिर से मैं मैनिपुलेट कर सकता हूँ. How? Look at this. देखो इस नंबर को मैं मैनिपुलेट कर रहा हूँ. I'm going to make it a 6. I'm going to make it a 8 and 7 and 6. Look at this. मैंने यहाँ से इसको एक घटाया, एक बढ़ाया, इसको एक, अगर इसको घटाना था मुझे, घटाया. तो अब दोनों वैल्यू को अगर आप ऐड करोगे ना, you will going to get the same स्क्वायर रूट. आपको नंबर तो सेम मिलेंगे, नंबर भी ऐड हो रहे हैं उसी से. तो क्या एक दोनों नंबर जो है सो सेम ही होंगे? दोनों के परफेक्ट स्क्वायर निकल जाएंगे? नो. So we can manipulate the value. That is the reason maybe that always not a correct answer. Okay.